How to turn off location on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off location on your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you can just find the location, or here if you haven't found it, then you can even search for it as well. And here once you've found the option, you can just tap on it. And now here once you're inside the location option, then here at the top you'll see the location access option. So here if you want to turn it off, then you simply have to toggle off this option, and once you do it, the location will be turned off on your Android. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.